Made with carrots and infused with carrot cake spices, this nog is carrot cake in a glass. Peel a large carrot. Angle slice and slide into a small saucepan. Pour in 1/3 cup of water. Add cinnamon and a grating of nutmeg. Cover with a lid. Over high heat on your stovetop, bring to a boil, then reduce your heat to low and simmer for 10 minutes. Remove from heat and pour everything into your blender or food processor. Make sure to add all the liquid. Add your almond silk and blend or process until smooth. Pour in your cream and your sweetened condensed milk. Blend briefly until smooth. Pour into your favorite stemmed glass. Garnish with a twist of carrot and a grating of nutmeg. And here is your serving of under 300 calories, carrot cake nog. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the notifications bell to get all the latest under 300 calories recipes.